Hi guys, how are you? Hope you are doing well. Today I am going to show you how to do Elantra Online Ultimate Service at home. First of all, we gonna need ramps. So we have created these ramps at home. Obviously we are doing servicing at home. So we have used 6 blocks and 2 pieces of wood to access the underneath of car. Be little bit careful when you climb the car on the ramps. Align both the ramps with the car tire. Take anybody help to climb the car, or also you can do it yourself. Now you can see there is enough space under the car to work on. You can also buy ramps. You can get it in Canadian Tire, which will cost you around $80. Those are better than this though, but yeah, still we are doing servicing at home, so that's why we are using these homemade ramps. So now we have opened the hood, and after that we're going to need to open the engine oil cap. So after that, these are the things you will need in total to do the oil change. So this is the oil we are using. This is Pennzoil Ultra Platinum, fully synthetic, and N-Line uses 0W20, so we are using this, and it costs around $65 for around 5-liter oil. The second thing is the oil filter. You can only find this filter in Napa store, any Napa store, and it costs around $20. And then you will need a 24mm socket. So guys, I am using this as a collecting oil pan. This similar one, you can also use this bottle, water bottle, and you can cut it from here, so it will be very similar to this. So now I am underside the car, and here is our oil pan. Now I'm going to lose the bolt from here. This is loose now. And here. Now you have to be a little bit careful, as the stream will go down in the oil pan. So be a little bit careful to avoid the mess. Now I will lose it by hand, using hand, and just quickly so that it will go down here. See. Now the oil is mostly drained. You can see it's near about 4 liters. See. After that, we are going to lose this oil filter. N-Line oil filter is here. Now lose the oil filter by using 24mm socket. Just do it quickly now. Now we will put back the oil pan bolt like that, and we have put a new washer. So in the oil filter you will get obviously the oil filter, and these two things. First the oil seal, and then these two pins which we will be using. This is the old oil filter. Now we will remove this pin like that, move it, and then it will come out. This is the inside. You can see we will lose it, twist, it will lock. I will do it with the new one. Now this is the new one. We will just clean it a little bit, not too much. Now we will put this anywhere as you like. Just twist it, and now it will lock. See, that's the old one and that's our new one. And now the oil cap. We have to remove this old oil seal and put the new one. Pull it like that. Just come out. And make sure to lubricate the new one with some old oil or new oil as you prefer, like that, all over the seal, and just put it right here. See. Now the new oil seal is in, and now we'll put the oil filter back in its place. See, there's the hole. Have to match these both of them. Here you can see it will come out, and both the holes will align. Put the new pin inside, and now just lock it. Now we are ready with the new oil filter inside. Now we just need to put it back and tighten the oil pan screw, and that's it. And then we have to pour the new oil in. We are back into the engine, and just we have replaced the oil filter, and now we just have to put it back like that. We'll use the wrench to tighten it. Now it's nice and tight. Now we just need to tighten the oil pan bolt. It's 11 actually. I don't need to tighten it too much, just a little. So this is the funnel we made at home. It was a plastic bottle of water. I just cut it around the edges, and you can see we have cleaned it. And make sure to clean it properly so that no water is left behind. Just a little bit more, and that's good. So Elantra 9 Ultimate take around 4.34 liters, and that's all. Now we will take our funnel. We'll just put the engine oil cap, and with one click, and that's it. Close the hood, and we are ready for a drive. Want to reset the oil change reminder? Then just go to setups, and then vehicle. And after that you will see at the end convenience, and then just go to service interval, and there's just click reset the service maintenance interval, and then it will reset. And then also change the reset the oil change reminder, Remaining life was 15% now. Reset. Now both things are now reset, and that's all. And that's how you do Elantra online ultimate service. And hope this helps, guys. You take care out there and have a safe drive. Take care. Bye.